Hey guys, I'm doing another Subway Surfer video. I'm with my friend Charlie and my friend Taylor. If you hear a whole bunch of voices, that's them. So yeah.
I got a new high score.
They can't see it, but yeah, he got a new high score. We're all playing Subway Surfer besides Taylor.
I'll play Xbox.
Anyway, so I'm gonna try beating my high score. Hopefully, if I get far, I'm just gonna, I don't know, whatever. But, yeah. I might not talk that much, so yeah.
So yeah.
So yeah.
So yeah.
So yeah. So yeah. Alright, anyways, so I'm gonna be trying to do more videos on my phone. Because I, like school and stuff, it's hard to do videos and stuff at school. And after school, I usually don't want to do videos because I just kind of want to chill out.
Okay, where's Call of Duty at?
We don't have the disc. It's downloaded on the Xbox. All right. Anyway, here we go. I got jetpack. Here we go. Batman.
Hey, you got that from me.
Batman?
Yeah.
Dude, no, that's the Batman song. Dude, that's the actual Batman song.
I need to go.
What?
Okay.
Sorry if I'm going like this a lot. It's because I'm sick.
Yeah, he's stupid sick.
I'm stupid sick? What?
Yeah, you sound stupid and you're also sick.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yep.
Oh crap,
If you hear a big fat noise.
And I'm probably gonna do a skating video too, maybe, possibly sometime in my life.
When you're not sick.
No, I'll do it when I am sick.
But then you might get a concussion.
No, why? Why will that happen? A concussion is when you fall on your head and get like, messed
Yeah, you're
up.
gonna be sick. Then you're gonna. Then when you say you're gonna fall off your thing, then you're gonna get a concussion.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Wait, why does this take forever to load?
Totally makes sense, bro. Wait, is everybody sick right now?
No, I'm not. I'm a little sick. I'm a little sick.
I know Charlie's sick.
I don't know if I'm sick.
Oh, go subscribe to my friend's YouTube channel if you already have it. It's Skateboarding Bros 55. Wait, what is it? Charlie Vlogs something.
Charlie Vlogs 55.
Charlie's Vlogs 55.
Charlie Vlogs, not
Charlie
Vlogs.
Charlie Vlogs 55. Wait, Charlie Vlog
Dude, I'll go subscribe to you. Charlie Vlogs.
55?
Yeah.
Why 55 though?
I don't know. I don't know either.
Because you're 55 years old?
Oh!
I'm just kidding.
Okay, that was just a
If
funny
you didn't know, I'm 55.
Hey Charlie, how do you
But
spell
he looks
Charlie?
like he's
How do
10.
you spell Charlie? I'm sick. C-A... Now what?
Aw.
I already logged in with the freaking thing.
Charlie's raging over there. I'm just kidding.
Poop.
Oh, boop, boop, boop. Hope this video is not too confusing. New high score. Oh no, you unlocked the
Dinosaur.
dinosaur.
Dude, I want this guy so bad.
What is it?
Manny.
Oh yeah, so do I. The skeleton guy.
Zombie Jake. Holy crap, it's $5.
$5. Yeah, you can buy humans for like zombies for like $5.
Dude, I need this guy. 17 days left. I'm a dinosaur.
You're a dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
You're a dinosaur. That's how you say dinosaurs. You don't say dinosaur.
Dino.
This is how people think it's like dinosaur, but it's dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Oh frick! I died when I just
Just
say.
so you know, Gabe's the best at Subway Surfers.
I mean.
Hey,
Well,
you
I'm
should saw his high score. It's like 1,000,000.
All right, I died, so this is gonna be the end of that video. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Subscribe to Charlie Vlog 55. Bye.